These are next level restaurant deviled eggs. They're bacon infused and topped with more flavor. Start by frying up 5 strips of bacon till they're ultra crispy. Place 5 eggs in a pot of cold water. Bring to a full rolling boil. Turn off the heat and let them sit in the hot water for 12 minutes. Then scoop the eggs into a bowl of ice water to instantly chill them to stop the cooking, and it also makes them peel easy breezy. So now take those 5 crispy bacon strips, and let's be honest, you're gonna want to eat some, so make more. And we're gonna toss them in the food processor and pulse until you've got ultra fine bacon crumbles. About 1/4 cup of bacon bliss. Slice your eggs lengthwise and gently scoop out the yolks into a mixing bowl. Then add to the bacon and eggs 1/2 cup of creamy mayo, 2 tablespoons of zesty Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. Then add some freshly ground black pepper, mash with a fork, and blend until it's really smooth. Spoon the mixture into a piping bag with a star tip and pipe it into the egg whites like you're frosting little mini cupcakes. Now cut tiny sprigs of fresh dill. They're not just a pretty garnish. The dill herb burst is a secret that brightens the bite of the bacon and mayo mustard flavor. Then finish with tiny cut pieces of pimento. They have a very mild sweetness and a gentle spice and acidity that cuts through the fat of the bacon and mayo. These garnishes add a savory pop and elevate them. And here's a tip for covering them so that they don't get ruined. Shape a piece of aluminum foil around an upside down bowl, and that way it won't touch the eggs. These are honestly so good, they're going to have your friends asking for your recipe. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and you gotta make this. And you can find all of the written recipes on my website, yougottamakethis.net.